Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Canva AI, create designs with AI tools step by step clearly. Begin by navigating to your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type Canva and hit enter. Click on the official Canva website link from the search results. Once the page loads, locate the login button at the top right corner. Click on the login button to proceed. You will be directed to the login page. Here, enter your registered email address. Next, input your password in the designated field. If you forgot your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the on-screen instructions to reset your password if necessary. After entering your details, click the Login button. You will now be taken to your Canva dashboard. Once your dashboard is open, navigate to the Apps section on the left sidebar. Look for the AI Tools option and click on it. Explore the different AI design tools available for you. Choose the tool that fits your design needs. Follow the prompts to start creating your project with the selected AI tool. Enjoy the seamless design experience and utilize Canva's AI features to enhance your creations. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.